go, let's go.
If you don't know me, hi, I'm Natalie, a 20-something Malaysian who just a few months ago decided to pack up everything and left home to travel full-time, or what some may call a digital nomad. Still learning adulting and to navigate through my messy 20s, and currently indulging in some sweet brownie after a fun Halloween photo shoot. This is where you store your thoughts.
That's where we store the Christmas spirit.
God, if we have a house now, I'd buy this. This is so cute. Yeah, this shows this. I think that one is not bad. This for your face.
Yeah, great.
Is it a sushi?
Instead of eating vegetables, we eat vegetable seed. So the vegetable can grow inside of us.
Yeah, that's right.
You said we should eat what?
You don't
You said we should eat chicken eggs so they can hatch inside of us.
Yeah, if we're following your logic.
This will be so fun to play hide and seek.
1 hour later.
I couldn't find it, but it's okay. We're gonna go again tomorrow, but today we're just gonna buy some snacks for tomorrow's picnic.
Yeah, my snack.
Is this supposed to be Wednesday?
Yeah.
That's so ugly.
It's not, it's not supposed to be Wednesday. It's supposed to be dark, girl.
It's googly eyes. Hey, look, it's you.
Hello, we just came back from Cat4 and we're gonna have to like cut out little eyes, if not we're gonna be blind. So yeah, we're gonna cut out the fabric a little so that we're able to see where we walk, and yeah, let's do it.
You haven't even found mini push-ups.
Oh, I totally forgot. I mean, you did not. You haven't given me hint. I asked you.
No, you're just not looking.
Okay, kick it. How do I look? Yeah, the hair still can come on. That's nice.
Yo, it's so long.
Yeah, you have cutting a little. I think the key here is to just find the perfect ratio, which I think I found. Okay, so I need a marker. What do you get the marker?
Don't you have it?
What?
I don't know. You have
Okay,
that.
I'm gonna go see. Ah, I can't see.
It's on the table.
Which table?
Round table. You scared of the ghost. She's scared of the ghost.
Wait. Let me see how it looks like. Yo, you look so funny! Yo, you look so funny! It's so cute.
I can see, bro.
Yeah, same. So, you want me to help you? Oh no, this is not the marker. What?
What's that?
I
Why do you
see-
take that?
I don't know. You can. That's what you cannot
Why
see.
do you take?
I thought
Your
this is.
lip gloss thing.
I thought this is the marker. Okay, I was so excited and I got scared because of you.
Oh, you invented it. That means I get 1 point.
You want me? I'm not scared. You want me to like mark your face?
Don't
Yeah.
no, don't press on it. Then you draw my face.
No, I'm not. This is my hands. Okay, yeah, correct? Correct or not?
Just wait.
You want to do it yourself or not?
Yeah, let me do it.
Okay, nice.
You're gonna draw my eye.
I think it's just a toy like.
This is the marker cap.
I don't know. Oh, yeah. Yo, that's a huge circle. It's like too big.
How about this?
You just farted. I caught you on camera.
Okay, I'm the guinea pig, so let me cut first and see whether it looks weird.
Don't cut that big. I think you just got swung. Okay. Okay, let's just say go.
Some more? Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. You can still see it, which is good. Here's someone down at the party.
I'm gonna put my eye on you.
Oh, okay, it's not bad. It's kind of funny. Okay.
You are the nuts, man.
Okay, I think this one's good enough.
Okay, I'll start the photo shoot.